In the vast universe of Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva stands as the supreme destroyer, mysterious, powerful, and beyond time itself. But did you know that Shiva has taken multiple forms to fulfill different cosmic purposes? In this video, we will uncover the 19 fascinating avatars of Lord Shiva, each carrying a unique purpose and story. Stay with us till the end, because Shiva's last form might just surprise you. 1. Virbhadra, the wrathful warrior. When Sati, Shiva's beloved, sacrificed herself in the fire, Shiva's rage took a terrifying form, Virbhadra. He stormed into Daksha's yagna, destroying everything in his path, proving that no arrogance can stand against divine justice. 2. Bhairava, the fierce protector. Once, Brahma grew arrogant and claimed superiority over Shiva. In response, Bhairava emerged and severed one of Brahma's 5 heads, teaching the world a lesson about humility and divine order. 3. Durvasa, the sage of temper. Born as a sage, Shiva's avatar Durvasa was known for his short temper, but also for his deep wisdom. His anger was not without purpose. It was meant to maintain righteousness in the world. 4. Pippalad, the child sage. Born to sage Dadhichi's widow, Pippalad cursed the planetary god Shani for tormenting humanity, but his anger softened when Shani pleaded for forgiveness, symbolizing Shiva's ultimate compassion. 5. Nandi, the divine guardian. Yes, Shiva's trusted bull, Nandi, is also considered one of his avatars. Nandi represents devotion, patience, and the path of faith leading to the divine. 6. Hanuman, the unbreakable devotee. While Hanuman is known as the son of Vayu, some scriptures state that he is an avatar of Shiva himself. His immense strength and unwavering devotion to Lord Rama make him a unique incarnation. 7. Ashwathama, the cursed warrior. In the Mahabharata, Ashwathama was born with a divine gem on his forehead, a blessing from Lord Shiva. Though later cursed, he remains immortal, wandering the earth as a reminder of destiny's consequences. 8. Grihapati, the cosmic worshipper. Born to a sage, Grihapati faced many trials, yet remained devoted to Shiva. In return, Shiva appeared before him, granting him divine protection and enlightenment. 9. Yatinath, the humble ascetic. Taking the form of a humble monk, Shiva tested the devotion of a wealthy merchant. Through Yatinath, he taught the importance of detachment from material wealth. 10. Kirata, the mountain hunter. To test Arjuna's dedication, Shiva took the form of a tribal hunter. After a fierce battle, Arjuna realized the hunter was none other than Mahadev himself, rewarding him with the Pashuptastra. 11. Avdhuta, the mad sage. A mysterious ascetic who wandered without concern for worldly norms, Avdhuta taught that enlightenment lies beyond societal structures. 12. Sharabha, the beastly form. When Lord Vishnu took the form of Narsimha, his rage was uncontrollable. To calm him, Shiva took the form of Sharabha, a terrifying yet divine beast, demonstrating balance in the universe. 13. Brahmachari, the eternal celibate. Shiva took this form to teach sages the importance of self-discipline and detachment from earthly pleasures. 14. Yaksh, the guardian of treasures. When the Devas became arrogant about their power, Shiva appeared as Yaksh to humble them, proving that divine energy surpasses material strength. 15. Sunat Nartaka, the cosmic dancer. Shiva's form as the divine dancer represents the eternal rhythm of creation and destruction, the essence of life itself. 16. Bhikshuvarya, the supreme beggar. Shiva disguised himself as a beggar to test the generosity of the world, proving that wealth is not in possessions but in kindness. 17. Sureshwar, the king of Devas. In this form, Shiva took command of the heavens, symbolizing his supreme authority over both gods and demons. 18. Dvijeshwar, the protector of Vedas. As Dvijeshwar, Shiva safeguarded the Vedic knowledge, ensuring that divine wisdom remained in the right hands. And now, the most feared form, Maharudra. Maharudra, the final destruction. When the universe reaches its limit, Shiva takes this form to dissolve everything into nothingness, preparing for a new cycle of creation. From a warrior to a sage, from a protector to the ultimate destroyer, Shiva's avatars remind us that the divine manifests in countless ways. Which of these avatars fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mystical stories. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya.